Next we will be studying the transform tools. So which are the transform tools? Move, align tool, crop, then rotate, resize, share tool, perspective tool, flip tool. These are the transform tools. So let us study one by one. Now move tool. Suppose this is selected. So you can move this using the move tool. Using the move tool you can move it. Can you see this over here? This is the use of move tool. You can move the image or the selected part. The next is crop tool. Now what is the use of crop tool? You can crop the image. Using crop tool you can crop the image as you want. See, this is the use of crop tool. The next is rotate tool. So what can you do using rotate tool? You can rotate the image using the rotate tool. The next is scale tool. So scale tool, how can we use this scale tool? We can use it to increase or decrease the size of this image. We can make it smaller or else bigger. The next is share tool over here. This is the share tool. See, now suppose this we have selected. I'll make it 10 suppose. X and Y, both the magnitudes 10, and see the whole image, it will be share and share. Can you see this? The image, it is a bit flipped like this. This is the use of share tool. See over here, cross हो गया है ना थोड़ा. So this is the share tool. Now the next is perspective tool. Now what does this perspective tool does? It changes the perspective, the view of the image. Now suppose we have selected this perspective tool and then transform. See, the perspective has changed ना, angle change हुआ है. The image has not changed, but it is just the angle that has changed. The perspective of the image has changed. The next is flip tool. Flip tool, it is like reverse. Now suppose flip tool and we have selected this image. See, it is upside down. Again we select it, it is like this. Now we can do it vertically also. See, if we do it vertically, this is the use of flip tool. The next other tools which are remaining, that is zoom tool and text tool. So everyone knows the use of zoom tool. Why do we use zoom tool? To zoom in and zoom out the image. And the text tool, it is used to insert text in the image. So this was about the toolbox, the tools in the toolbox. Thank you everyone.